For this homework, you will need a notebook and a pencil. Also remember, you can turn the video on and off when you need to. This is the story about Lee. This is Lee. The title of the story is Lee. Listen to the story. Lee eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. She eats rice and a small banana. She drinks juice. Lee eats lunch at 12:30. She eats fish and an apple. She drinks milk. She eats dinner at 6 o'clock. She eats beef, lettuce, and tomato. She drinks milk. Now listen to the story and repeat. Lee eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. She eats rice and a small banana. She drinks juice. Lee eats lunch at 12:30. She eats fish and an apple. She drinks milk. She eats dinner at 6 o'clock. She eats beef, lettuce, and tomato. She drinks milk. Now open your notebook and write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you need to, stop the video and turn it back on when you have written the numbers. Listen and write yes or no. We'll do the first one together. Lee has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Look at number 1. Lee eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. So Lee eats breakfast at 7 o'clock? No. Now do the rest yourself. Listen and write yes or no. Number 2. She eats rice for lunch. Look at the story and decide yes or no. Number 2. She eats rice for lunch. Number 3. She has a banana for breakfast. Number 3. She has a banana for breakfast. Yes or no? Number 4. She likes juice and milk. Number 4. She likes juice and milk. Write yes or no. Number 5. Lee has dinner at 6 o'clock. Number 5. Lee has dinner at 6 o'clock. Write yes or no. Number 6. She eats tomato, beef, and lettuce for dinner. Number 6. She eats tomato, beef, and lettuce for dinner. Write yes or no. Now, write the time that you read in the story. Write the correct time. But first, write 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your paper. We'll do number 1 together. So write the correct time. Listen. When does Lee eat lunch? When does Lee eat lunch? Look at number 4. Lee eats lunch at 12:30. So number 1, 12:30. 12:30. Remember to put the 2 dots for part of the time here. Now do the rest yourself. Number 2. When does she eat dinner? When does she eat dinner? Number 2. Write the correct time. Look at the story and write the correct time. Number 3. When does she eat breakfast? Number 3. When does she eat breakfast? Look at the story and write your answer under number 3. When does she eat breakfast? Number 4. When does she eat a banana? When does she eat a banana? Write the correct time. When you are finished, write your name at the top of the page and bring this paper to your teacher to class tomorrow and give it to your teacher. Again, you can listen and do the work again by watching the video again. Bring the paper to class tomorrow.